Yeah, hello everybody. Yeah, today we continue our lesson and today we make the question and answer ថ្ងៃនេះយើងបង្កើតសំណួរហើយនឹងចម្លើយ but you can make the question by yourself and answer by yourself អ្នកឯងអាចបង្កើតប្រយោគសំណួរខ្លួនឯងហើយក៏ឆ្លើយខ្លួនឯង Okay, who first? Amai? Yeah, Amai first.
Where did he go? តើគាត់បានទៅណា He went to the market to buy something គាត់បានទៅផ្សារដើម្បីទិញវត្ថុខ្លះៗ
Okay. The second អ្នកទី2 Yeah, Saranya.
Where did they go? តើពួកគេបានទៅណា They went to visit Angkor Wat yesterday ពួកគេបានទៅទស្សនាអង្គរវត្តកាលពីម្សិលមិញ
Okay. Yeah, the third. Yeah, Abun.
Where did your father go? តើឪពុករបស់ខ្ញុំបានទៅណា
ពុករបស់អ្នក
ឪពុករបស់អ្នកបានទៅណា My father went to Kiriram last year
Yeah.
ឪពុករបស់ខ្ញុំបានទៅKiriram កាលពីឆ្នាំមុន
Okay. Yeah, the fourth Anat.
Where did you go? តើអ្នកឯងបានទៅណា I went go to the
I went.
I went go
Go នឹងស្មើនឹង when ហើយ
I went to sell with my mom
at
at 1000 ringgit
Okay. Yeah. The fifth.
Where did we go តើពួកយើងបានទៅណា We went to see the sea ខ្ញុំlast we went to see the sea last year ពួកយើងបានទៅសមុទ្រកាលពីឆ្នាំមុន
Okay, that's right. ស្រីនេះ
Where did she go តើនាងបានទៅណា She went to swimming and waterfall
Okay, at waterfall. Okay, បកប្រែមក translate.
នាងបានទៅខែទឹកនៅទឹកជ្រោះ
Okay.